Another thing ho na you need to understand on PhilHealth end is that papunta ho lahat ito sa UHC. Okay? So there is a roadmap na sinusunod ni PhilHealth. Ito ho yung universal healthcare. So you also need to understand kung saan sila papunta, okay, kailan ito gagawin, at kung kaya ba nilang gawin. Okay? So, it's basically attempting to understand kung ano ho ito. Now, unfortunately, in my opinion, DOH says one thing about UHC and PhilHealth says another thing about UHC. So that is why medyo mahirap intindihin. Okay? But what you need to understand, okay, with universal healthcare is how are you going to operationalize it in your hospital? Okay? Yan ho yung importante. Okay? Pag-uusapan ho natin yan.